Dis Gimmie Volkie hierdie naweek. En julle sit actually onder een dakkie saam langs mekaar.
No, I think we have a very good relationship, especially Zandri and myself. I think the thoughts about Volkie Chemie, which is it's a big competition, of course, but I think it's a much needed competition. I think if we're both strong, it just benefits hockey as a whole. So it's not just about us beating them or them beating us. It's about making sure that this is something that lasts for years to come. And I think rivalry is important, but it's also very, very important that we don't see each other as enemies. That's not what it is. It's just that thing of iron sharpens iron, and yeah.
Ja, soos Jared sê, ons het regtig 'n goeie verhouding. Ek dink die feit dat ons albei 'n hart en 'n passie het vir die sport en die kind, maak dit maklik, want dit is 'n groter perspektief en 'n groter prentjie in die sin van, okay, but what's the actual goal? But at the end of the day, focus on the game, play the game. Ons sê altyd, met Gimmie Volkie is dit 'n ander game. As ons mekaar later in die jaar speel of vroeër in die jaar speel, is dit asof it's a different game.
Yes. En ek dink hoe beter jou kompetisie is, hoe beter vir jou, want ek bedoel dit meet jou eintlik, né?